Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2008 Cadillac CTS. If this video is helpful, can you just hit that thumbs up button? Really helps me out a lot. Okay, first thing we're going to do, start the car. And then we're going to turn the AC on here. And then you want to turn your blower speed all the way up. And turn your temperature all the way down. Then we're going to pop the hood and go up to under the hood. Alright, so this is your low side, low pressure port right here. Take that cap off, put it somewhere safe where you're not going to lose it. Then we're going to take our refilling attachment tool, push it down so it clips on there. Then we can see this is already looking pretty good. We just want to top it off a little bit more. So squeeze the trigger. Oscillate the can between 12 and 3 o'clock. And you just keep checking. See, as it runs down a little bit. We're just trying to put a little bit more coolant in here. Refrigerant, I should say. When you get down towards the bottom of the can like I am, I kind of tip it all the way up so it's able to suck that coolant out. What you want to see is that arrow there in the green there. It keeps you cooler if you're up on the high side there, but you don't want to go into the yellow. So I'm going to probably put another can in a little bit later. If this video is helpful to you, you just hit that thumbs up button. I'm going to have links in the description below where you can get a recharge cable, some other stuff you might find helpful. Remember to hit that thumbs up button and have a good one.